In this video, we just want to review quickly how a student can find their instructor's feedback for their assignments. So the assignment we're going to be considering is the test assignment Dropbox. And as a student, I want to be able to find my feedback. So one of the ways I can go is through Tools and through My Grades. And you'll notice there's a line item for that assignment, and there's various options to see parts of your instructor's feedback, like the score and any notes they made for you or the rubric that they used. But by clicking on this title, that will take you to your submission area. But a faster way to get to that submission area is just to click into the Dropbox where you turned in the assignment. And that will take you to your submission. And you'll notice it has the instructor feedback on the side, including the grade and the rubric that the instructor used and the actual scoring they did for you and any feedback they have for you there. And you'll notice their text comments are there as well. But sometimes there's a lot more that the instructor uses for feedback options, and so we'll look at some of those. You'll notice this is my second attempt, and I did well, but on the first attempt I did not do as well. And so let's take a look at that. Here you see the instructor has a lot more for me. So again, the grade and the rubrics are still here. Safe Assign is here as well, so if this is a Dropbox that uses Safe Assign, your results will be here, and you can view those. They'll open in a new window, and so you can see them there and review that. And when you're done, you can get back to your submission area by just, it's off my screen, but you just close that tab and it takes you back to the Blackboard screen. Safe Assign, you can hide that section or display it, but you'll notice your original document is still here, and the professor's feedback for this first attempt is here, but they also uploaded a document for me to review. That's my document with their comments, so that's one of the ways a professor might leave feedback. The other option is they may use this inline grading tool like this professor did as well. You'll notice that there's a listing of the comments and markups that the professor made, and sometimes these obscure notes that the professor has made about specific areas of the paper, so you'll see these go off screen, but you can't see them. So you can close this area or reopen it as you wish. So if they're in the way, you can move them out of the way, and then you can see comments that are linked to specific places in the document as well. Sometimes the professors leave text right in line with your document, or they can use highlighting. And again, you'll notice that part of this is off the page. So one of the ways you can handle it is to either shrink or expand your document. And the other way you can handle it is to just use the arrows and expand the screen so that you can see the full document as well as where the comments are linked. When you're done with that view, you can shrink it back down to normal size. And if you're done reviewing your instructor's feedback, you can download it if you wish. You can download it as a Word document or as an annotated PDF. But you don't have to, because of course it's always going to be right here in the Dropbox where you can review it. When you're finished, if this is a Dropbox where you can submit multiple times, you'll notice there's a Start New button. That would be if you wanted to make another submission. But if you click OK, that just gets you out of the Dropbox and back to the content page.